Riboti iria irekereirio ni ruhonge rwa kuhurana na ungumania bururi-ini yonanitie ati mbeca iria ciurite hatari na uigiririki kana kwandikwo handu ni ciringi birioni 7.45, thirikari-ini nene ari ciringi birioni 2.75, nacio thirikari cia kaunti ciringi birioni 5.4.
The reported unsupported expenditures amount to Kenya shillings 7.45 billion, with the national government, ministries, departments and agencies and projects having a total of 2.05 billion and counties 5.4 billion.
Hari mathire maria thirikari itarihite magakinyia ciringi birioni 419, thirikari nene ina ciringi birioni 194.72, nacio thirikari cia kaunti ikoya ciringi birioni 224.3.
Pending bills amount to Kenya shillings 419 billion, with national government MDAs at 194.72 billion and counties at 224.3 billion.
Oho riboti iyo ihithuritie ati tabarira cia uthii wa na mbere iria ciambiriirio na igitiganirio ni cikimanjika gia ciringi birioni 81.58, thirikari nene igakorwo yoete ciringi birioni 38.2, nacio thirikari cia kaunti ikoya ciringi birioni 43.38, no ciringi birioni 7.9 nicio irihikite nginyagia riu.
The computed amount of delayed, stalled or abandoned projects is Kenya shillings 81.58 billion, with national government MDAs at 38.2 billion and counties at 43.38 billion. The MDAs had already paid 7.9 billion for the delayed or stalled projects, which, ladies and gentlemen, is expenditure with no correlated benefits to the citizens.
Iguru rioguo, maminista 36 a county ni manyitetwo na mahitia ma kuoya ciringi birioni 44.7 na njira ya ngungo, na ciringi ingi birioni 2.7 magetwo ni mishara marariha aruti a wira, no gutire aruti a wira mandikite. Riri ruhonge rwa kuhurana na ungumania rwa EACC rukite na mubango mweru wa kuhukia ungumania bururi-ini. Kiuria ni atiriri, hihi bara no ni guciara maciaro kana bururi ugutigwo o uria urari na hau kabere. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Alice Wangui wa Maina.